What's up, y'all? This is Ice on the Ice the Closer channel. Today we're just going to talk about counter steering. Though I know there are a lot of videos on YouTube about counter steering, from really specific things that tell you what it is to things really basic. I know that I didn't fully understand it until I started riding, and I think there's an easier way to teach it than what I've been seeing. So with that said, this video shouldn't be long, and we're just going to go over counter steering. I'm going to start with the importance of counter steering. Counter steering is a motorcycle phenomenon because on two wheels, especially above over about 20 to 25 miles an hour, at least on my bike, a motorcycle always wants to, by nature, be upright like this and go straight. That's why if you want to turn left or right, you don't actually turn the wheel like you would with a slow speed thing. See, look, right now I'm coming up on a left-hand turn, right? I'm gonna start off by trying to turn it, right? Now if you were turning this slow speed, you would think you would pull this left in and push the right, but if you do that, you see how it does that? That doesn't work because I'm going too fast for that to work, and I'll show you in a slow speed setting what will make that work. Like right here, I am going about 12 miles an hour, as you can see. Here I can actually pull and turn the steering wheel, okay? So I'm going slow. In fact, especially when you pull in the clutch, you can actually pull, okay? So if I'm going right, I'm like technically pulling with the right or just turning it, as you would expect. If I'm going left, I'm just turning it, right? You can see the steering wheel turn, whereas when I'm going a little bit faster, the steering wheel is not really going to be turning, and the front part of the bike is not really going to be moving off the axle. As you can see, it's moving a lot. You're not going to see that for the higher speed maneuvers. The whole bike will be moving. It's not just going to be the front part. Okay, hopefully this makes sense. See, look, slow speed, I can move like that. Now to the right, you would think I would pull it in, but if I do that, I go towards that car. Okay, going to the left. If I pull it in, pull the left in, I'm going straight towards the thing. I can't pull it in and it work. It will not work, okay? Now what happens is, since people don't know this, they freak out if they see a car coming, and what will happen is they will pull out of fear, right? And so, see this right coming up? If I'm pulling, then I actually am pushing myself to the left, right into what I'm trying to avoid. That is why it's important to understand counter steering and understand it so well that when, you know, everything goes bad, you are able to instinctively counter steer the correct direction. Counter steering is also extremely important for evasive maneuvers. It's important for staying on your line when it comes to riding through corners. It is literally so important. See, look, slow speed, I'm pulling this in and I can turn it. I got a little fast there, so it didn't work, but slow speed, I can pull this in and turn it. I'll show you guys that later, okay? But look, we're going at speed, okay? Here is the simple way to explain how to steer when you are at speed. Look, I don't have my left hand on it, right? Every steering move I need to make can be done with one hand on either handlebar, really. Okay, so look, I'm going to the left. If I'm going to the left, I push left. That makes me left. Push left to go left. Okay? Push left to go left. Now, when I say push left, I mean push left with my left hand. And how the handlebars work, if you push left, that means technically you're pulling right. So push left is the same thing as pull right. You see I'm pulling right, pushing right. Pull, push. Does that make sense? Okay?
This is the same concept of a seesaw in which the left side does the opposite of the right side. If the left side goes up, the right side goes down, and vice versa.
Again, another left turn. This time I'm going to do it with my left hand. Push left, go left. That's all counter steering is. Alright, now the right is coming up. So, right, push right with that right hand. Push right, going right. Simple. Very simple, okay? There's really not too much more to counter steering when it comes to the fundamentals of what it is. The whole purpose is you push where you want to go. Push right, go right. Okay? The dude behind me probably thinks I'm insane right now, but I just wanted to show this because there's been a couple of new riders that have been lost to the concept of counter steering. Now, target fixation is another thing that will get you. That's when you like aren't looking where you need to go. Look, push left to go left. Easy. Okay. Target fixation is like if I get stuck on that fire hydrant there and I'm still looking there, I'm gonna end up going there. But I have to move my vision, pushing right to go right. And again, that was with one hand. Okay. So you want to look where you want to go, not where you're either trying to avoid or anything like that. Now this is a sharper corner. A good way to know the sharper corner is you'll see the chevrons, which is these yellow things with the black arrows. Sharper corner, you want to take your time. Push left to go left. And look, I'm not gripping hard, right? My fingers are free, my fingers are loose. Right now all I'm using is my right thumb to accelerate. I don't even need that. But I use that for more control, but just to show you this. Of course, in a perfect situation, you should have both hands like this, but everything is smooth. It's literally just pushing to turn. You're not pulling, steering, anything like that. You are just guiding the bike. Let the bike work. Again, this works because the bike's nature is to go straight. So you're pushing it down. That's how you're turning. If the bike's nature is to go straight and you're not pushing it down, but you're actually trying to turn it, then it's still going to keep trying to go straight. You trying to turn it is going to make it wobble. Does that make sense? So look, nature is to go straight. All I'm trying to do is make it quote unquote go straight at an angle which turns. So it's going to go at an angle more to the right since I'm pushing with my right hand. Lastly, as you see, sharp turn, 25-mile-an-hour thing. Okay, push with the left and I'm going left. Easy. Push with this right. Easy. That's all it is. Okay, so I just wanted to show y'all that. I hope this will help avoid some accidents for any new rider out there, or any rider out there who hasn't really practiced this concept. I urge you guys to really practice this, whether it be on a road like this or even doing maneuvers like this, practicing evasive maneuvers, right? That'll give you an idea, because it's true in evasive maneuver too. If I'm on this side and there's like a big hole here, push right, I'm getting out of the way. Push left, I'm getting out of the way. You see this dirt patch right here? It's easy for me to get out of the way because I understand what it is that I need to do. So I hope this helps you guys, and love y'all. Thank y'all for your support, and we're gonna have more and more videos like this as I keep learning. I want to help y'all learn the nice simple way to do it. I'm not going to talk to you like I'm an expert, because I'm not. I'm going to give you a nice simple thing that will hopefully help you understand. Push left right there, lean into that, and we good. Alright, y'all have a great day. I will see you soon. I'll probably have a couple uploads this week, so be prepared. And without further ado,